Sorry guys, I have been interrupted some problem into a problem. So yeah, I just started my stream again. So yes, we were just discussing like we are having. Yes, okay. So okay, so that's my real time. Okay, so this one is just coming down a little bit. We can do the DCA for now, but I am just not going to do that because we are still in the position, and this one is just going to hit my TP. I wish. Yes, we are just about to. You are just going to witness the TP. If it hits my TP, then that means we have achieved the good position at this mark. And guys, we are just about to hit my TP. And let's wait and see if we can. It's just very near to my TP. Maybe it will come a little bit down, but yes, anything can be happened here. And yes, we are. It's very near to my TP, and let's see. Oh wow, what a big fall. So it just went, okay, we can move my stop loss at my break even at least now. So that's the way we can protect our capital at least. So that's my real account. I'm using the if my SL hits, then still I will be still in positive at least. But if this one pull backs from here, then it will definitely going to hit my TP, and I would be able to make $50 from this trade. So all you need to do is just grab small amount of profit instead of just running after big profits. Uh, Sorry for interruption. I have got into some problem with my system just because I don't know what's going on. But yes, let's see what's next. Okay, so see, I'm just hoping for this one to just go and hit my TP is just $20. That's a very small amount of money. Let me check what's going on. Okay, so Truth had a good comeback today. Previously, yeah, it was just falling down, and now it has the potential to go up. So market momentum is just shifting. Yeah, it's a good chance. So see, it's going to potentially hit my. Oh no, I'm not going 50 to make 50. I'm just going to make $20 from this trade. Okay, that's totally fine. We can make 20. We just grab small amount of profits. Okay, no worries at all. And just at the nick of my TP. Let's. So we have made just $20 in this trade. Okay. And what about the other pair? Yes, Truth is just stuck for now, and I will do the DCA for this one. If it falls down to this somewhere around, let me check. Where I can draw the DCA, where I can do the DCA, the DCA should be around. Yeah, it's not falling back. It will go up a little bit more. Okay, let it go and stay with me, guys. Let's see if where does it takes me. So I am using this trade is on isolated. Yeah, it's using my isolated 25x, but the liquidity price is very Liquidity prices. Here is the liquidity price. Okay, no worries at all. All we will do is just to grab small amount of profit from this trade. So I am going to put my stop loss at no. I'm just one more thing. Like if the trade you are just confirmed that it will go a little bit up, so we can add some of the margin in that as well. So let me show you how to add it. Uh, add position SL, DPSL, DPSL, unrealized. Yes, we can add. We have opened the position with using $100, so we can add another $100. So you guys will see the price, the liquidity price will be moving from. It will update in like few seconds. Let's wait. So liquidity price has been moved to 0.00099 to 95. So my liquidity price has increased already. I will put my T stop loss. Uh, but if the price will go a little bit up, otherwise I can add more margin. I just want to make a good profit from this trade actually. I have a very good feeling for this one. This can go a little bit up, but if it goes wrong, that's totally fine. We will perform the DC again. Okay, for now, let's put the SL somewhere around here. I don't want to take the risk in this one. SL will stay positive $10. So it's totally like where you want to add, wait for a long period of time, you want to profit. This is my live account. And moreover, this video is just for the sake of entertainment and the information, not don't follow my trades. Um, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial expert. Moreover, I'm not a financial. I'm strongly recommending you guys to just start doing with your demo accounts before you start adding your real money. So that's the way you can protect yourself. You protect your capital, and let's see. And now I'm waiting for this one to go a little bit more up so I can. Now I'm 45, so we have made $20 and we can make another 50, $60 for now. But all I want to see such kind of big wicks to on the upper side because this coin is already on the lower side for now. But so let's see. It can hit my SL as well. So okay, let's see the history. Mhm. I want this one to go. I'm not. I'm very much confused now. For should I remove my uh, SL here, or just want to? I just want to keep it continue for the till the end of the session. Actually, I'm very curious to see if it goes right or wrong. So potentially it has potential to go up, but not sure now actually. So my position size is just $100 actually, and I have just added to a $100 again in that. So let's see. It's just coming back to some mark. My liquidity. I'm sure you guys must have known like what is liquidity. Liquidity is the price when your trade goes wrong to some extent. There is a price when the price touches to that mark, then your order will be closed and your trade will be liquidated. So that's called the liquidity. Liquidated means that your trade will be gone and your money is gone. That's called liquidity. And let's see if we can grab something from here. Let me go live on TikTok as well. There was some problem happened. Okay, so yes, I am live on TikTok as well. So we can see I was live on the TikTok from my system, but unfortunately there was some error happen. Was something wrong happened with that. So let me put my screen so you guys can see. So the guys on from the TikTok better view can have a better view. We yes. Okay. So yes, we are here. We are using let me check if hmm, okay, and yes, I think you guys no. Okay, that's better. So yes, we are in the position for now, and let's see if we can grab some profit from this trade. So that's my live account. You guys can see, and we will try to get some profit from this trade. It's not going good so far, but I have a feeling for this one, but feelings doesn't matter. What matter is your understanding of the moment. So the coin was already on the lower side, on the all-time low price today. So when it touches all-time low price, then there is a chance there that means there is a clear support at that mark. So that support can give you a good pushback. So that's what this one is facing actually. So there was a good pushback at this mark, and we are just going to see. Yes. Let's see how much money can we make. Uh, this trade is isolated trade. I'm using $200 margin in this one. So if the price comes to 0.0095, that means my $200 will be liquidated. But this coin is on. That's where you decide. This coin is already on the all-time lowest price. Yes, it can go a little bit long, but more downside. But it always happens. Like there is a support at that mark at least, so that means there is a pushback. So that's why this coin is just pushing back to that mark, and yes, potentially it can go up. I was just trying to observe from here. I just wanted to take the long position from 0.95, somewhere around there, but I just missed the position. But no worries, we will. We are still in the good position, at the good price. Uh, and if it goes wrong, we can do the DCA as I have done previously. You guys know already. So yes, we can have a great understanding for that. Moreover, um, yes, let's see how much money can we make from. I just want to keep this trade continue because it's already on the lower side of my on the price. So let's see how much can we make from this. One more thing I always mention, that always try to open one position instead of opening multiple positions. If you want to open multiple positions and you have appetite to open the multiple positions, just try to use the isolated margin. So that's the way you can protect your capital, and you can just divide uh, in different trades. So yes, hello, hi. Thank you so much for your comment. Just received hi. Hello. So thank you guys joining my session. Yeah. And moreover, so here is the position right now. You can see, let me mirror this one. Yeah, let's, so now you will have a great view. So this is the position I am into right now. I have just took the position from here, somewhere around there. Yeah, here. And let's see if I can make some of the profit. If it goes a little bit up, this is the support I have just resistance which I have just drawn. So maybe it can go a little bit up, but let's see what just happened, what can be. And yes, desktop display remove from the. Okay, so this is not a good sign for now, but I just want to keep it continue for the long period, for till the end of today's session. So I just want to see if we can keep it continue. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. This is not a good sign. When the coin moves sideways, it gives me at least a panic. So, and it doesn't show the RSI, and where is the RSI? Yes. Oh, sorry. Oh, my bad. It's just happening. Yes. You guys can see the RSI. If the RSI is in the favor, yes, it's possible it will go up. But if it's not in the good shape, then we are in trouble. So we could have lose $200, or we can make some of it. So we are up. Should I place TP or SL at this mark? You guys can just write down in the comment section as well. So that would be a great honor for me. So let's have some discussion on this one as well. So what do you think? Like, should I put my TP or SLs at some mark, or just keep it continue with the same? So here we are right now. Okay, so let's see. If I put my SL at this marks at the break even, I just want this one to break this resistance. If this crosses this resistance, then we are in a good shape. This will go way up. It's just hitting the resistance and just pull coming back. That means there are big order block at this mark. So yes. Uh, okay, for now, what do you think? If I put my SL at this mark, this point, so that's the way we can. My trade will be closed, so I'm in 33% positive now. So yeah, it will be zero at this mark, or where should I put my SL? So I just want to wait for this one to break the stop resistance. Let's see. Let's see if it goes right or wrong. Okay, okay, okay. Just go a little bit more up. So let's see. You guys are with me. Let me make it on a little bit bigger. So, and if it goes wrong, if it goes to downside, then I will do the DCA and I can increase my position size because I have mentioned earlier that this is already um on the all-time lower price already. So yeah, there is a chance for this one to go a little bit up. So okay. Okay, so let's see. Hope for the best. If it breaks the resistance line at this mark, then it will go a little more up. Because if you guys can see, let me show you some backtest from this one. Let me reduce this for now. See this one, these are the marks, and this one is just potentially it has a potential to go up, at least for now. Let's talk about let me set up the time frame to 5 minutes. So you see guys, 5 minutes time frame is also in the favor. And let's talk about 15 minutes. So yeah, it's in the favor. Yeah, it has potential to go up, and maybe it can come down a little bit, but for now, I think we have a good feeling for that one. And if it will fall down, then we will be stuck in for some times. I'm not putting my stop loss at this mark at least. Um, because I have told you the reason why I'm not putting the stop loss. It's just because it's already on the lower side of the its price. So yeah, let's keep it continue for some time. So let's wait and see where does it goes. Thank you, unknown user 0178 for your likes and comments. I really appreciate it. It gives me a great encouragement for you guys to come online and just guide you guys how to do the trades. I am not a financial expert. I am just learning with you guys. Uh, I'm not asking nobody. Please don't give money to anybody. You can trade by yourself. It's all what you need. You just start doing with your demo accounts, and starting you doing with your demo accounts, just learn the patterns, learn the charts. Then you can just uh, put your real money. So yeah, it's a great chance for making money. And on the other side, it's a very volatile market. Just stay away if you don't have understanding of crypto and trading stuff. It took a lot of time for me to just start doing with start making some profit. Yeah, but it's a good thing. It's on the other hand, I have lost a lot of money in start when I just started trading. Um, So yeah, sometimes you make, sometimes you lose. Always mention that not every day is profitable day. I closed yesterday on I think $300 negative. So yeah, it happens. And yeah, day before yesterday, I have made $1,000. So yes, or sometimes you make, sometimes you lose. Today is also very like it's a good uh if you catch the moment on the right time. So yeah, that's the way you can just. Sorry, I just missed a comment. Oh, thank you so much for your appreciation. Please don't follow me. Don't follow my trading trends. I strongly recommend that use it like just use it with your demo accounts. Just do it on demo accounts. Don't do that on the real accounts. Initially, if you are new to that, if you are doing, I have been live from last 1 month, so just 2 days. It happened with just 2 days. Like I have lost like in one day I have lost $500, and on next day and the last day I think $300. I have booked 200 something dollars. I have booked the loss. So yeah, it happens where you make profit every day. You don't make profit every day. It happens. So yes. For now, let's see. Yeah, it's just you guys can see this is moving just sidewise. So I don't know for now. Sometime I have good feeling, sometime I don't have good feeling. So let's see where does it takes us. If it goes right, so that's my real account. I'm performing the trade on that using my $100. Just I have opened the trade just with $100 and added $100 in the liquidity and used my um sorry, I have to just yeah, and use my isolated margin. So that's the way you will be protected, of course. Uh, okay, can you guys see? Yes, you guys can see. Okay. So for now, I think I'm not sure. I'm just stuck between positive and negative at this mark. I think I just took the trade in just a little bit hurry. All you need to just do is just to wait and relax and see if you can grab a good opportunity to enter the trade. It always happen to be okay. I'm just going to see if we can. Okay, so for now, I think. Yeah, it's just moving sideways. I have a very good feeling because the volume of this coin. Let me show you the volume. Hmm. Yeah, the volume is just volume. Yes. Okay, let's see. If this one follows the trend of bullish trend, so that means that will definitely go a little bit more up. So Did I miss any comment? Yesterday I missed a comment, so the guy was just not happy with me. I think not yet. Okay, so you see the moment. I am just stuck in some position. But let's see. Let's hope for the best, and let's see if we can. Can we? Yes, we can. Uh, as I mentioned earlier, I am into the trade. Just if it went wrong, if it goes downward, then I will do the DCA from what is my liquidity? Let me check. The liquidity price is 0.00955. So that's my liquidity price. Uh, okay. Liquidity price, liquidity. The exchange I'm using it's very user friendly. It's the interface is very good, very good control on that. Okay, for now, what do you think, guys? We can see. Okay. So we are stuck at some position for now. See the sideways movement. And we are in the trade. I cannot put my stop loss at this mark. I am very much confused at this position because I am just following the trend and trend is totally bullish. So yes, we can wait for a little bit long period of time, but these moments, if you guys see that it went back to some mark, then went back up and comes back to this mark, falling down, trying to cover these order blocks, then went back up and then slowly come down, then went back up, then slowly comes down, and higher low and again higher low is a good sign for this one to go a little bit more up, but there are multiple patterns of the moment, so anything can be happened here. All we need to do is just to wait and relax and see where does it goes. It's already on the um, all-time lower side, so I have a feeling like this will go a little bit more up. So we can, I just want to make a 200. Mm, let's see if I put stop loss to this position. I just wanted to make sure. I just opened the position with just to $100. I think I should have to open the position with at least $200. So at least it should have been 1% of my portfolio. But I just used, I must say, 0.5% of my portfolio. Just opened the trade with just $100. So it's just like 0.3% of my portfolio. It's very low amount of the margin. If I use 1%, so I can use $300. So yes, I will do the DCA with $200 if it goes wrong. So that's how you decide what's your strategy, when to use your capital and so my capital is, of course, it's a big, so I will use 1% to do the DCA. So my trade is now just 0.33% of my capital. So I'm using $100 trade using my 0.33% of my capital. So I will increase it up to 1% using my isolated margin. So, but do the DCA, but totally depends upon the liquidity price. If it goes near to the liquidity price, then I will do the DCA. So that will increase my liquidity. Moreover, it will increase my position size as well. I will do the DCA just because this is already on the lower side of the price. So yes, we have a great chance. I think we grab a good position at this mark. So let's see what can we make and see. It's just moving the sideways. And if it falls down, then there is a fair value gap at this mark. So it will fall down to um somewhere around, I don't know, not sure. Okay, let's see. Meanwhile, on the other hand, let's talk about the other coin. So here was the other coin. Yeah, we have made just $20 from this coin actually, using 10x of my isolated margin with using $200. So just $20, 10x, just a little bit movement and gave me just $20. Just try to grab small profits. And yes, we can. Let's see if we can. No, for now, all I want this one to come a little bit down to this range, this support. See, I have just drawn the support at this mark, and if this will come to this, yeah, there is a chance for this one to come a little bit down. So let's see. Okay, so what is it for now? Sorry. Okay, and let's see. Okay, let's talk about the previous position. It is just stuck at some mark. I just don't want this one to stuck at this position. So what do you think? What should we do? Should we wait? Yes, we should wait at least. So this is the resistance and it's just stuck at this mark. So let's see. Okay, what is it? Okay, guys, all I need is just a small break. I'm just coming back in 2 minutes. Uh, Meanwhile, you guys can follow the trade. So let's see. Okay, guys, I'm back. Thank you so much for waiting. All right, so yes, the trade is falling down. The DCA price would be done at 0.0096. And the liquidity price is, what is the liquidity price? The liquidity price is 0.95. Actually, I just want to perform just only one trade today. So, using my live account. So, yes, you guys will, I just want you guys to witness uh, today's profit or loss. We can lose the trade or we can win. That totally depends upon. Okay. So for now, I'm not putting a stop loss or. Okay, meanwhile, let's talk about some other pairs. How can we make the order book? Hmm. Okay. All right, guys. So our trade is in the position now, and we are just going to see. What just. Hmm. Let's set this to this, or maybe this. Okay, and there's no such a moment. Hmm. See the movement of this coin. Actually, it's just giving us a good movement for now. Did I miss any comment? Not. So my technique is for this one is just to open the position following by the RSI, moreover the trend of the coin, like it's going up or down, the bullish momentum or the bearish momentum. So just try to grab the momentum, and that's the way we can understand the better. But yeah, I was in profit at that mark, but I just did not close it because I have a good feeling for this one because this one is already on the all-time lower price for now. And let's see if we can make some good profit in this one. Okay, if I do DCA from this mark, we can go to. Is it? Okay, so let's wait and see where does it takes us. It's showing that USD. So we have good. Okay, so we are in the state of war. So let's see why it's just happening. It was just going very good, and I just followed the momentum. That's what I always mention. Like sometimes RSI shows RSI is not always 100% right. Moreover, on the other hand, of course, uh, yeah. On the other hand, let's open the long position again. I'm using. So see, I have just brought my price to downside. And what's the liquidity price? The liquidity price is 0.094. I just want to add some of the margin. Let's add 200 to this one. So that will increase my liquidity price to 9417. It was the same 9417. So 9032 is my now liquidity price. So 9032 is somewhere around there. 9032. Yeah. Uh, so my position size will be 500. And I have done the DCA already. So let's see if it goes right or wrong. So my trade is 25x. Yes, it's 25x using isolated margin. If it goes wrong, then my $500 will be gone. So let's see how can we. That's a big candle actually. Moreover, I can do one more thing actually from here. If the price goes to that mark, we can close. I just booked a loss of $90. Wow, $97. Why did I do that? I was just setting up. My bad. Oh, well, that happens. I was just, I was just, I was just trying to. I don't have words for that actually. This happened with me like multiple times. I was just trying to set up the stop loss to some extent. And I just booked a loss of $90. Wow. What did I do? Why did I do that? What should we do is okay, let's open the trade again on the market size using, I'm just going to open the position again. So I have just followed the RSI. If the RSI is showing that you can open the position, then that means there is a chance for this one to go a little bit up. So yes, let's see the style. Let's change the style of it. Level, default, precision, yes, okay. Default, yes. Lower limit, yes. Okay. 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 One more thing, don't revenge trade actually. If your trade goes wrong and you have done a little bit mistakes at some point, yes, all you need to do is just stay away from that position. And don't do the revenge trade. Actually, I was just not doing it. I just mistakenly click on that. Yeah, it happens. No worries. Okay, so see, we are in positive now. What is my total asset? Hmm. Okay, no worries. We will make some again. Let's see if we can grab an opportunity again. Mm, so altcoins are just very, very volatile coins. So always just be safe, guys, and try to be very safe, I must say. And so now we are $25 positive, but we have lost a good amount, $90. You guys can see $97. So, and we have made another $21. So we have lost almost $70 today, almost $78. So if this trade goes to $78, so we are in profit, not in profit, but in the break even. So all we need to do is to understand like where to enter the trade, where to go. See, this kind of moment gives you a good opportunity, and we can book the profit, or we can put the stop loss at least on some point at $10 maybe. Should I? Okay, I have put my stop loss, so my trade never don't goes wrong. If so now I am in safe zone at least. If it went back to my stop loss, then no worries at all. It will go up, of course. And if it hits my stop loss, no worries. We will enter the trade again. So still we will be in safe zone. So stop loss can just protect you as I just missed $97. That was my mistake actually. I had just mistakenly click on. I was just checking like if it closes at the right way or just well, that happens. No worries. We have made a lot from the market. Yes, we there is some amount we can give it back. Yeah, by mistake maybe, or they can the market smart people can take it back from us. So, so yeah, that happens. Hmm. Okay. Moreover, let's see. Hmm. And it's just moving at this position. Um, Maybe it can come a little bit long because the RSI is in our favor for now, I must say. See this big wick. These big wicks can just take you down, of course. And we are still $20 positive. Can we pick small profits? Yes, we can grab small amount of profits. Or let's say put your SL at some break-even point. So that's the way you can just at least protect your capital. So I am just trying to protect my capital because I don't want to lose anything. And if it goes wrong, then I will take the long position again because it has potential to go up. Of course, it is. See my SL again hit, and still I think we will be still in positive. Uh, what is it? Where is it? And just $1. See, I placed my SL at $10, but the big wick took my trade to negative plus $1. But yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I was expecting this one to go a little bit up, but let's wait and see if we can. There is a see there is a support at this mark. That's why it's just coming back, and if it crosses this support again, then the next support would be somewhere around there. 94, 0.094, 0.0094, 594, 545, something around there. If it crosses this line, so let me draw this line for you guys. So here is the support, and the next support is somewhere around here. So I'm not sure if it can cross this support. See, that's the support you have to draw and to understand like there is a support or resistance at what point. So yes, I have just drawn the the second support is yes, and then let's see. Now it's going back after hitting my SL. So let's see. Okay. We will uh we will take the position again. Uh Somewhere around if this support is broken at this mark and touches this one. So if touches the second support and if it goes up, then there is a very big gap in there in here. So it covered the big gap at this mark and it may go up a little bit. Okay, let's wait and see. If it did not hit our stop loss, then we would be in positive at least for now. Hmm. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see, guys, this is just moving up. Just after hitting my stop loss. It just moved up. But we cannot judge the moment. We just can have a good idea of that. But if I just wanted to grab, I just grabbed the right direction, but okay. I want this one to just come a little bit down, then I will open the long position again. So the RSI should be around 70, 30, 30 somewhere around 30. So we can grab that opportunity again. Let's see. Let's wait and see if we can. Yes, this is what I want. Yes, this is what I want. Yes, this is what I want. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. So now I am in the position again, and let's see where does it goes. If it crosses this line, then we can do the DC again. So no worry at all. I have just took the position again, and let's see where will it go. And the liquidity price is 0.009397, which is like somewhere around here. 9397. So the liquidity price is here. So let's wait and see. If I will add the TP or SL at this mark, then it will hit my TP again or SL again. So I don't want to add the TP right now. I just want to see if the trade is in the good shape for now. At least for now, I must say. I just want to keep this trade continue till the end of session. Let's see. Okay, so what just happened there is nine. Six hours. Okay, so this session is about Hmm. 6. So potentially it shows like it will fall down, but let's hope for the best. 18 and okay, so let me check what's going on with that actually. Does- And so yes, we are stuck at some mark, which is not a good sign for us actually, I must say. But maybe it can go a little bit up. So TP should be somewhere around. I just want to make some good profit today. Okay, let's make $100 if we can make. So that's the way. That's the way you decide like how much profit do you want to make. Uh, so yeah, I just want to make 1% of my portfolio today. So 1% is like $300. So yes, let's see if I can make it. So we already have lost $97 and made $20. Just pick small profits. So here I have to decide like should I put my stop loss at this mark or just keep it continue for the longer period of time maybe. But let me check. Yes, what do you guys suggest? Like, you guys can suggest me if I should have to put my stop loss at the break even or just keep it continue or just close my trade or pick small amount of profit. So it's just like 0.01% of my portfolio. 0.1% if I close this trade right now. So it's very small amount actually. I just want to keep it continue at least. The TP I have set is at $200. So we are $60 positive now. Yes, we are $70. And I don't know, should I keep it continue? Yes, let's keep it continue and put my stop loss at least $30 maybe. Wow, what a big pump. Wow, what a big pump. This is what I want. So I am $120 positive. Guys, it's my live account. Don't practice on live accounts. Just do it on demo trades. So I am just going to put my stop loss to $60. There is an option of trailing stop loss. So the price mark at that some time and moves with your trailing profit. So $60 and 20. So I am going to move it to no 80. Let's put it to 80. It's too much for now, actually. Let's put it to $100 and make uh let's put it to $130. I am just moving my stop loss with the trade. $130 will be positive, and let's move it to 140. So if my trade close, if it comes back, so still I would be in positive. So I will make $140 in this trade. For now, it's 180. So my TP is $210. Yes, it is achievable. That's what I just put my TP at that mark, and I can move my TP to $150, SL to $150, and it is 100 and yes, it is. There was a chance for this one to come a little bit back, but I just want to grab just hit my TP, just hit my TP. My SL is very close to that actually. There is a chance for this one to hit my, or should I manually close it? I'm just very confused now. I don't know. $180. Can we close it? Yes, we should close it actually. $160. Yes, we have made let it go where it want to go. We have made $160 in this trade. Um, $152. Yeah, that's good enough. So we have made 163%. So it's a good achievement. Okay, let's see. Okay, so for now, we have grabbed a small amount of money. With the trade, we have made $160. So let me send this one to. Okay, we will send it again to my group. Uh, you should share your achievement and your losses with your surroundings, the people you follow who follows you. So that's the way they will have a better understanding. Like you guys can see I have lost $97 and I have made $160, $163. So 152%, it's good achievement. It's a good comeback. And we have made $21 as well. So yes, this is achievable. That's what I always talk about. Always share your achievements and your losses as well. So people should know that you are losing as well as you are making something. So, okay. So we will wait for another chance if we can get another chance. Just like that. All you need to just if you catch one moment, then that's the way you can make good profit. I always suggest this is just for the sake of information, just for the sake of fun. We are just performing live trades just for the sake of fun, not for. I'm not suggesting you guys to do that. Don't follow me, please, on trading. Follow my TikTok and YouTube as well. So, so I just can. It's not a financial advice. It's not. I'm not uh, a financial advisor for you guys. So all you need to do is just do your own research before you enter the trade. And if you are new to crypto, just start doing with your demo accounts. So yes, that's the way we can do it. And thank you so much for joining today's session. It's a great honor for me, you guys, to have on board. So let's wait and grab some more opportunity if we can have it. Or if you have any question, you guys can just write me in the comment section in the live chat session as well. So I just missed few chats yesterday, so the two, three guys were just not happy with that. I'm so sorry for that. Um, I feel bad. Moreover, yes. Let's see if we can have a good chance again. I just wanted to keep it continue for today's session, but yes, I did not. I just closed that previous trade mistakenly. If I would not have closed this one, then that means I could have make like two $200 for now. But that happens, no worries. Okay, so yes, we can see what can we do from here. Okay, let's see another pair for now. Mm, let's talk about wet. What's going on with this one? Yes, this is what I was just mentioned the support at this mark, and I was just curious to see if it goes right or wrong. So yeah, well, I was right at this mark actually. This support is very at good position for now. And if it breaks this, that means it can fall down. But there is no volume in this coin, so there is no big movement in this one. So let's talk about this one. So there is not big volume in this as well. Um, yeah, let's see. It's just moving in that range bound. See guys, see the movement. This is the range bound for like few like 2 3 days. Yeah, this is and this is the range bound of this coin actually. 40, no, not this one. Let's move it to a little bit. Yeah, somewhere around was 0.1502 between somewhere around 0.171. So yeah, there is a no big movement. So see the hourly chart. Hourly candles are very small movements in the hourly charts. Hourly candles. Mm, if you see the RSI is in the favor for the 1 hour time frame. So we can perform the intraday trade for this one to keep it continue up to this mark maybe or somewhere around here 0.159, so it's on 0.154. And for the short-term scalping, yes, that's the mark 0.156. We can open the long position from somewhere 0.15430. If it falls down to that mark, then we can open the long position. Hmm. I just want to open the long position 0.15449450445 somewhere around there. So let's draw another line to this mark. So if it comes to this mark and pulls back itself a little bit up, mm, yes, then we can open the long position from here because there is not much volume in this one. So it's already on the lower side. Mm, let me see what can we do from here. Guys, always learn first, then you should put your real money in that. I strongly recommend that. I every day I mention that my trading strategy is it's my trading strategy. It's not necessarily you copy that. I don't recommend that. Just do your own research, make your own strategy, make your own discipline for trading. That's your appetite. My appetite is like I open the trade maximum using my port 5% of my portfolio with maximum up to 10x leverage. Moreover, if I use minimum like 1% of my portfolio, then I can use 25%, 20% x, 20x of leverage, but strongly not recommended that. It's kind of same thing like if you use the bigger margin and use the minimum leverage, so it's kind of same thing. Moreover, just try to increase your portfolio in terms of percentage instead of increasing your portfolio in term of dollars. So when you run after dollars, then that means like you are compromising your strategy and your discipline. So don't do that. I suggest that just try to increase in terms of percentage, like increase 1% of your portfolio every day and just compound it. So compounding is very good thing actually, I must say. So through the compounding, you can just grab a good profit and increase your wealth, of course, wealth or I must say portfolio. So that's the way you can increase your capital. And then if you doubles your capital, that just withdraw your actual capital from the market. That's the way you can just save your actual money. And strongly not recommended that when you want to start your futures trading, always just to perform on demo accounts also always. So that's the way you can learn first, then you can just keep your money, then you can put your money in that. So I am a trader more of like I think motivational speaker as well. So yes. Um, it's just basic strategy. It's just basic understanding. Use isolated margin. Use like 1% of your portfolio or maximum 2% of your portfolio. Let it go if it goes. Then if you are not putting your stop loss, and if it comes right, so just take like few percent of your profit and just stay away from the market. Close your trades every day, so that's the way you can just stay away from the market. Whenever you open the market will attract you to just let's come again, and that's the way you can just give your money back to the market. I strongly not recommend that. Just always try to make a strategy, make a pattern, and just keep follow that. So yes, we are just waiting for this one. Okay, let's talk about this one as well again. So see guys, this is just falling back again. And yes, there is a chance. Thank you, bro. You come every day. I feel so honored to talk with you. Thank you so much. What's your name actually? The name called Dami is it right? So all you're also doing futures, or what are you doing in trading? You're doing in spot or futures or whatever you're doing. You should mention in the comment section. Um, Today yes I'm using my live account to perform the live trade using the platform. I'm just doing trades on that. Uh, so I was just about to close the session for now, but I think I will keep it continue for a more half an hour from now. So yes. Okay, so if the RSA will be below 30 or maybe let me check, maybe yeah, below 20, somewhere around 20, so I can open the long position again. I want to open the long position from here actually, using my 1% of my portfolio. So let's see what is, so using my 1% of my portfolio will give me a chance. But doing 25x, so not recommended. Just if you are doing it, just do with 5x or 10x. Just small grab amount of profit instead of running after big profits. And I just missed it. No worries. We are just waiting for, yes, this, no, this, there is there should be a resistance somewhere around here. This is a clear fair value gap in this mark. If it will fall down, then it will fall down again to this extent, maybe, but not sure yet. We can see the movement here, but this fair value gap gives a clear understanding for us to just maybe take the long position from here, but all we need to do is to wait and see. So patience is the key of getting a good trade instead of doing hurry and get the profit. So let's see. Okay, guys. Moreover, okay. Let's see. Um, And hmm. So see, here's the support somewhere around here. So that's a sign. If it breaks the support, then it can fall down a little bit. But there are chances for this one to go a little bit up. Maybe. Hmm. All we need to do is to just see, and let's see if we can. Oh yes, that's the support. I have just drawn the support. If it breaks this one, then it can fall down a little bit. Uh, but if it's not doing it, then it will go back to uh, whenever you just understand the support and resistance, that's the way, that's the very basic thing to understand. Then you can decide like where the coin movement is just going to move. So when you understand where to draw the support on the minimum mark, on the maximum mark, so that's the way you can have a better understanding. So if it crosses this support, then the next support would be here. So if the coins are only on the one more formula I used to follow actually. I'm not recommending you guys to follow that. Um, I always just choose the coin with having almost like on all-time lower side. If the coin is on the all-time lower side, that's a good chance for those coins to just have a good pullback at some mark. If definitely the coins are registered, you can just have an overlook of their white papers. So you can just check the projects, that what kind of projects those are, and if they are ETFs or whatever they are coins or they are tokens. All you can do is just keep an eye on them. So see guys, this is the next support. If this crosses this one, and that could be a fake breakout, then it could be a pullback to this way as well. But that totally depends upon this one. Let me draw this line actually. One more line. Yeah. So this could be a fake breakout, as I've mentioned that just pick up small and sweep the liquidity at this mark and then pulls back somewhere on the upside. And if it falls down from there, then yes, there is a chance. The next support. See, guys, see. That's what I was just talking about. That was a fake breakout, actually. I just mentioned that, and it had a good pullback to this mark, and now it's going back up, maybe. So yes, it happens. And let's see the overview. Okay, okay, let's leave it for now. Hmm. Let's talk about it. So if it breaks this one, then there is a chance for this one to get a pullback again, just like that. Okay, so yes, we can open the long position. Uh, the RSI is in the favor for now. The RSI is in the favor. No, let's wait. Let's wait and see. Yes, I want is a big red candle. Then I can open the long position again. Just a little big candle. So I am going to open the long position using $100. Just a little bit big candle, just below to RSI should be below 20. If RSI is below 20, where is the 20? Here it is. If it touches down the 20 RSI, then I will open the long position from here. Sorry, you guys can see. Yeah. But now it's moving back. So here is the 20 mark of 20. So if it touches this one, then I will open the long position from here. But for now, I think we should wait and see if it goes right or wrong. Let's wait for now, I must say. But keep an eye on RSIA always. Let's see, let's see. That green candle could be a fake breakout and it could have fall down, or let's wait and see if we can get a good chance. Okay. So we are hmm. So RSA is moving quickly. That means there is a chance for this one to come a little bit more down. Maybe. Uh, let's see the volume. Hmm. Okay. So there is a chance for the pullback. Hmm. Yeah. Thank you, Karan. And yeah, volatility is very high today, of course. But I'm trading the pair. This one, it's already on the all-time lowest lower side. So uh, I have lost $90 in just one trade. By mistake. I just click on the on close button. I was just doing the DC and just checking up and just mistakenly click on that, and then I just get back almost $150 back, $160 back in the very next trade. So I just entered the trade from here. I think this mark, yeah, and waited for just wait for the for this mark. Then I just close it on the top of that one. So I got lucky in this trade actually. But so this is the platform I'm using. So this is my real account. I'm performing the live trade on real account. So yes, it's been a month, so that's why I just thought to start doing on the real account. So one guy yesterday was not talking right, not talking good about just calling me some bad bad words, but that's totally fine. That's I always say people that just do on demo trade demo accounts, but and do it yourself. Don't give money to anybody. Don't trust anybody. Don't trust even on yourself sometimes that if I'm doing wrong, right or wrong. But that totally depends. Like people are just there are kind of people in the world. So what can we say? So even my friends, they ask me to just just take the money and just start doing trading. So I always suggest that please don't do that. Do it by yourself. I don't take money with that from anyone, and don't give money to anybody. Yes, please don't give it. Just do it by yourself. If you can win or you can lose, that totally depends upon you. I was just about to grab this opportunity. I just missed it. I was just waiting for RSA to come below 20, but no worries. We will get the trade again. Yes. Okay. Even the market cap is just increased. I was surprised it's 3.02 trillion now. Yesterday it was 2.989697, something like that. So I was surprised the market cap is increased today. Well, it should be like somewhere 2.90, somewhere around there. It should be decreased, but surprisingly, it just increased. Well, okay, so moreover, we are just waiting. So the RSA in the favor for open the short trade, but I'm not going to open the short trade because of the reason I have mentioned earlier. Like this is already on the all-time lower side. So on such a coin, I will not definitely open the short. This is strategy what I used to follow actually. I made a mistake yesterday. I have closed the trade on negative $250 somewhere around there. But not now actually. I'm just trying to grab small profit. Yeah, yeah, but it's a good that's a good time for uh for the trading, but just swing trades. Yes, just like I do, but I just keep doing it. Sometimes I don't wait. The US time open is very late for me, so I always just keep the same time sometimes. So yeah, that's a good time. I think you have mentioned like 3 days back for the Ethereum that you were gonna long on that somewhere around 2900. I think you have mentioned that. And I was not expecting that the price would come to that mark, but it happened to be. It happened. It went to that mark yesterday. Uh, yeah, 2900. Did you open the position that time? Yeah, it went down to 288 something like that. So, well, I was not expecting that the price will go to that mark, but it happened. It went to that mark actually. That was a very good. Hmm. Ethereum is going good. It's just moving very steadily. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. So might be someone else. He was just talking about that I will go long on Ethereum somewhere around 2900. And well, I was not expecting the price near soon, but it happened to at that mark. But yeah, Ethereum and BTC are, yeah, that's right. That's right. You are right. Uh, okay. So we see the wet. These new coins just, no, there is no volume in this one. So let's see. H. Yes. I have just drawn some of the resistance supports. Hmm. Let's see the 5 minute time frame. So this is on the, yes, we can open the long position from here actually. There is a chance. What do you suggest for this one? If you see the time frame, uh, let's talk about 5 minutes. So is 5 minutes is good. RSI is in the favor, still in the favor. Plus, let's see the 15 minutes. Yes, it can go a little bit down, but maybe it will take a little bit more time. 1 hour time frame candle, you can see. RSI is in favor, but for the intraday trade, yes, we can. For the swing trade, it's in favor. What do you think? Actually, I think we should wait. See these big movements. Uh, it's just going down and down. Then it will pump back a little bit. Let's do the back test. Yes. Yes, there's a chance for this one to go a little bit up. Um, yeah, yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I'm just waiting to see. Let's let it stay at some mark. I think today's, well, you are right. Like it's very volatile market. I think I'm not going to trade anymore today. Yeah, I always mention not every day is trading day. So sometimes it goes right, sometimes goes wrong. So I'm not going to trade anymore today. Just made $150 today. Yeah, that's fine for now. I think 160. Yeah, I have lost 97, $21, 97, 60, and yeah, 100 almost. Yeah, it's good enough. Um, yeah, see, it's just falling down. Maybe, yeah, see. Yeah, there is a chance for open long position, I think. But I'm not sure now actually. Just a little bit confused at this mark. Yeah. Hmm. I think let it go for today. Actually, I have been live from last 3 hours from now almost. I have had a 1 hour and few minutes session before. Then my system got stuck. Unfortunately, I have to close that. So maybe I'm not going to take this trade for now. I always just close the trades every day and just stay away from the market. I don't want to trade anymore today. I'm not sure. See the movement? It's very, very volatile. You're very right. Yeah. So it's not clear like it can go up or down. Yeah, it will go up in the longer period of time, but let's talk about the other one, the previous one. Meanwhile, truth. Yeah. Yeah, it's see the movement of this one actually. This is very, very this is 15-minute time frame, so see the movement of 15 minutes. So and 1 hour. So it's on or see the all it's already on the all-time lower side. So potentially, yeah, if we can open the long position from now and just let it go for like few days. So yeah, it can give us good profit. If you see the day candle, yeah, see that's the daily movement of this coin. But I don't think so. We can it can fall down. It's on the lower side already. Mm, for now, let's not trade anymore today. Yeah, this is this coin is a very good opportunity for I think for the longer period of time. What do you suggest? Mhm. Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm not doing it. Actually, if I will uh take this trade, actually one of my friend took the trade like 2 days back. He entered the this one. I was just stopping him that don't do that, and he took the entry at 0.030 somewhere around there. Now he's stuck at the trade hand and he was not putting the stop loss and he's in negative like maybe 300-400% of his trade. But I just gave him a good hope that he can do the DCA if it falls down more to keep the price down or just stay in the market because his liquidity is in not showing in the position. So that means he has a good backup in his account. So I just guided him to just keep it continue. Let's not open any position at any other position. So liquidity will be near. So yeah. So it happens. Yeah. So what's for the swing trade? This coin is very good. Truth. For now, actually. Yeah, that's but I think if you don't put SL, but you have to just take the coin, something like this coin actually. It's already on the all-time lower side. So yeah, you can skip the stop loss at this in these kind of coins actually. But yeah, it's not recommended that. I always mention that keep your stop loss if even if you are in positive like few dollars, just put your move your stop loss to your break even. At least you are in the safe zone. So if it goes wrong, so it's okay. You are still in safe zone. But what can we do? We can just guide the people. Even I sometimes I do not put stop loss and stuck sometimes, but yeah, it happens. It's the emotions. Well, because when stop loss hits every time, it feels bad. So yeah, why it's hitting at and just went back to the profit side. But yeah, that's a part of it. Okay, so yes, that's it for today, I think. Yeah, that's right. That's right. You're right. But you know, it can go more lower side as well. There was a coin actually. I did not put the stop loss when the market falls, the BTC falls to 80,000. The big wig happened and liquidated $20 billion. I opened the long position. What was the name of that coin? Actually, I forgot. I have, but its liquidity was not showing. So I was open in that position, and my portfolio went to minus, I think, 600%. But because there was no liquidity showing in that account and the coin went very far down, and then it's just like in the nick of the time, and it just went back to almost the trade was, and I think like I have closed the trade at 200% positive. So the liquidity was not showing in that position, and that's I think that was the good sign for me to okay, the liquidity was not there, so that means the coin, if BTC falls to zero, at least, of course, it's not falling to zero, but anything can be happened. So my that trade was actually safe, I think, yeah, because I was in the cross trade that in that trade. So yeah, so that's what I think actually. That's what I have learned from these kind of coins actually, which are already on the lower side. But not much volume gives more volatility. Yeah, it can just volume comes in and it can pump up to the moon, of course. Yes. So that's that's all for today. It's really uh, a great honor to talk with you. And yeah, so I will do the live session again on Monday, hopefully. So just enjoy vacations and enjoy your holidays and stay away from the market. So yes, that's all for today. Okay, if anybody have any question, yes, you can just write me in the comment section or the live chat. So yeah, you too. Thank you so much for being online with me. It's a great honor to talk with you. Hope you follow me on YouTube as well. So yeah, we will keep in touch. All right, thank you so much, guys. See you guys on hopefully on Monday, and we'll perform the live trade on my live account, so you guys can just learn and earn after that. Okay, have a good day, have a good weekend.